Hi everyone, this is Jamie here, Oceanside Library's Technology Coordinator and Librarian, and this quick tutorial is showing you how to log into Tutor.com using your library card number. So you're going to start up by opening a web browser and going to oceansidelibrary.com. You can find the link to Tutor.com under both teens and children, and right now you're also able to just scroll down on our homepage and go to the Oceanside 24/7 365. And on this special page, we have a bunch of our online resources that you can access for free, access with your library card. So if you just scroll down on this page, you'll see Tutor.com. You're just going to click on that icon. And then it's going to bring you to the Nassau Library System page. So on this page, you're going to ignore this login up here. You're just going to scroll right on down to where you get the drop down to select your library. You're going to click on that and choose Oceanside and hit go. And then the next page that loads up, it is going to prompt you to enter your library barcode number, which is the number that's on the back of your library card. All of the Oceanside library cards start with the same few digits. It's 2121400, and then the rest of your number. Once you've typed your number in, you'll hit submit. And then you're logged into Tutor.com. You will come up here to the top where it says create an account or sign in, and you can go ahead and create that account. Your account will be created using your library barcode number as your username, and you'll create a password for it. And then once you're in here, you can connect to a live tutor. You can submit a paper for review, drop off a math question, take a practice quiz, and then there are some other tools for SAT and ACT prep, grad school tests, AP exams, videos for help with math and English. And there's a bunch of great little ways to get started with your account. You're able to save tutors that you like. That way you can try to connect with them again, and it'll save your progress and save some of your practice exams and things like that. So that is how you access Tutor.com with your library card. Good luck to everybody doing their work. Stay safe, stay healthy, and thanks for tuning in.